In this video, I will show you how to download BiglyBT on your smart TV. If you find this video helpful to you, subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this. So if you have a smart TV and want to download BiglyBT, after connecting to internet, here's what you can do. Especially if you have Google Play Store and the application is not on your App Store. So what you can do is to come over to this third-party application called Downloader. Downloader is an intermediate application that helps you to search for keywords or applications on the internet and download them to your smart TV. So without downloading your smart TV, you are missing a lot. If you need it, check the description of this video. There's a link there that's going to help you to get downloaded on your smart TV. So after getting downloaded, you're just going to go ahead and launch it. And here's how the interface look like. It's a very simple to use interface. So you come over here and type in the right keyword, which is BiglyBT. Now you can always type in something specific like BiglyBT download or download BiglyBT or install BiglyBT, whatever you want to write. And the more specific it is, the better your results are going to be. So for instance, after typing in the keyword, you just come over here and click on go. When I click go, downloader is going to show us the options on the internet we can use to get BiglyBT to our smart TV. And here are they. So for instance, you can just go through them to see which one works better. See, for instance, here's an option. Here's another option. So there are many options. If these are not enough, always click on next and go for more. But for the sake of time, we're just going to use this one and see what comes from it. Once you click there, it's going to lead us to this other page here with an install button. As you can see, it's an install button. So if you want to download it, just click on install and the application is going to be downloaded to your smart TV. If this doesn't work, you can search other methods just using downloader. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find it helpful.